My name is Micah Small. I'm the IT administrator for North Central Farmers Elevator. The biggest technology challenges that we faced before we worked with Network Center were our printing was a huge problem. That would constantly crash with the software that we use, so we needed to assess that. The other thing is we grew so fast that our networks in the different locations were just not stable. We needed to stabilize those, put them together and tie everything back together to the home office so we could streamline everything we had with every single site so we could stay on top of it. We turned to Network Center because of their reputation in the industry for making these sites all come together, and they've done it with multiple companies in the past. So we started meeting with them and whiteboarding with them and came up with a solution for stabilization that was going to work great for us. And we started to implement it working with Network Center. And from day one moving forward, it was great. Once we got our network stabilized, then we turned to the printing issue. And now for the last 2 years, we haven't had an issue with either of those. On the networking side of things, we turned to all enterprise-grade Cisco routers, switches, and Meraki access points to tie everything together in the network. And that's what stabilized all of that for us, including tying the sites together through VPN with that equipment. And since then, we haven't had an issue with that. The things that we can do now that we couldn't do before are all owed to Network Center, especially when we changed to the Cisco VoIP phone system. Now when somebody calls our main office because they can't find an outlying number, we can just transfer it right to the outlying site because we're all tied together at every site again. And the same with the networking side of things and using the Meraki access point so that when our producers or agronomists or anybody come in, they can tie right on to our network, get all the information they need from us. So they just really helped us streamline everything to make it a seamless process. I would recommend Network Center because of the result that we got was just everything that we asked them for. They're very easy to work with. They want to educate the people at the companies. They don't just want to come in, push you out of the way, and take over like so many companies will try to do. So if I had to do it all over again, I would.